I'm curious, Amy, maybe I'll pick on you here a little bit, but I think we're seeing governance shift from, yes, the fundamentals, but now can be a massive enabler for AI, not just from a compliance side, but governing AI internally. We require a lot of context to feed these things. So what do you see as top of mind, or some of these top of mind initiatives where governance still has room to grow or things are unsolved in your organization?
Yeah, great question. And I also have to say, what a great time to be a data leader. I don't know if you all remember this, but 5 years ago, even getting people to pay attention to the word called data governance or data quality and aligning on single source of truth was frankly an act of Congress. And so now, what is an AI strategy killer? Poor data quality, no context, lack of governance, lack of a framework. All of these things are going to impact our ability to take advantage of AI, generative AI, large language models, chats, conversational AI, and really thinking about how we're evolving BI to AI. I actually think traditional BI tools might be something of the past, which is why we are starting to see companies like Salesforce, like Tableau, thinking more about conversational AI. And so, what do we have to do? We have to make AI ready data products. And the coolest part about that is we've been talking about that for 10 years. We just didn't have the language of AI, and we didn't have this use case that opens up the ability to look at data holistically across your organization in a way where people just want to have access. They don't want to have to wait for their analysts to build them a BI dashboard to send them the insights and the analytics. They want to do that discovery themselves. And I think Atlan for us is a core piece of that governance framework, because metadata and context is critical, and it's critical we get it right. And so at GitLab, we're actually starting to see a lot more teams want to participate in active metadata management because they're seeing the value on the other side. I think, connecting the dots between data governance, data quality with the value that people get has always been very, very difficult. And now it's become much easier because we've been able to mask it in our BI tools in the past. And there's no masking poor data quality with these AI solutions.